Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E32s, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings. Now tap on Connected Devices and select Pair New Device. After that, wait for available ones to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, this one. If you want to connect, you need to select Pair in this pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, click on this gear icon next to the device, tap on Forget next to connect, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can always connect to the same one by choosing Pair New Device, clicking on it and selecting Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!